Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget bro. Want to set up your tech game? Whether you are into a real photography, action-packed adventure, killer sound or home security, we covered with top 5 must-have gadgets in 2025 that will totally blow your mind. So let's go. First up is a Mini 2. This tiny drone picks a punch with 4K videos and 12 MP photos. And its size, it fits right in your backpack. No bulky setup required, just unfold and fly the Mini 2. Also offers 31 minutes of flight time and a range of 10 kilometers. So whether you are capturing a big landscape or just having fun, it's the perfect companion. Plus, it's the super easy to control with the DJI Fly app. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, you will get smooth footage every time. Underwater the extreme sports. Next, I got the GoPro HERO10 Black. If you are an adventure, this is a game changer. With 5.3K videos at 60 fps and stunning Hyper 4.0 stabilization, you can capture everything from suffering to mountain, baking with crisp buttery smooth footage. It's built for all kinds of conditions. Waterproof to 33 feet test proof and shock proof. So no matter how intense your adventure gets, this camera can handle it. Plus the upgraded GP2 chip means faster performance and smooth footage in low light. If you are all about sound quality, then we have got to check out the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7. This portable Bluetooth speaker just looking gorgeous, it sounds incredible with the device and crystal clear highs. It fills any room with immersive sound. It also built with an element design that can easily double as home decor. You get up to 8 hours of playtime and the connectivity seamless. And finally, if you care about your home security, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a must-have. It's got a crystal clear 1080p HD video feed, so you will always know who's at your door day or night. Plus it has two-way audio, meaning you tell to visitor or delivery people remotely. With advanced motion detection, it sends instant alert to your phone. And installation is a breeze. Your home security just got a major upgrade. So there you have it, 4 of the coolest gadgets that will level up your tech game in 2025. Which one are you excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.